Hello everyone. Today we are going to tell you how to add lightning effect to your footage. Let's see how to do that. Welcome to Techform channel. Follow these steps to get the same results.
Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you how to add lighting effect to your videos. So the first thing you need is to import your footage. You will go to Files, Import and File. Okay, I will import this video file. Now drag the video file and drop it here. Then go to Effects and Presets panel. If you didn't find it here, go to Workspace and make sure it's standard, or you can go to Windows and make sure Effects and Presets is checked. Okay, now we will go to Effects and Presets and search for lightning. Okay, we will choose lightning horizontal. Drag it and drop it to your video. Now you will find your video has disappeared. To check composite on original to make it go back. Okay, I will put 2 effects. You can put more than 1 effect. Okay, now we will put keyframes for low opacity and core opacity, direction, origin, and we will make the same thing for the other effect: low opacity, core opacity, direction, origin. Okay, now we will change the color of the effect. It's green as you see. I will make it blue. You can make it whatever you need. Okay, now you have to go to the start of your clip and make sure both of core opacity and the glow opacity is set to 0. Okay. Now we will go to the area which we need the effect to be added. For me it's here. When you find it, you will go back 1 keyframe by pressing page up, and now you will put keyframe for glow opacity and core opacity. Set the core opacity to 100% and set the glow opacity to what you need. For me it's 50%. It's okay for that. Okay, now we will go 1 keyframe and we will position the lighting effect to which we need. For me it's here and here. Now what you need to do is going frame by frame to position it to what you need. So let's do that. When you reach the point that you want the effects to be ended, you will have to go back one keyframe. For me, it's here, and put keyframe for core opacity, and then core opacity and glow opacity. Sorry. Then you will go another keyframe forward here and make it 0. And now let's see the effect. As you see here, it's like a real lining, and there is a lot of options here you can look for. I'm not going to show you all the effects, so you can change it and it will give you more exotic effects. That's it. Wait for more videos like that, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you need more videos like that and another videos about tech things. Thanks for watching.
Finally, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.